Alright guys, how you doing? This video, we're going to be putting super slick lawnmower tires, almost like drift tires, on the racing lawnmower with the open differential, and we're going to be doing some drifting in the leaves. So let's get to it. Alright, that actually went very well. Drove it around the neighborhood, did really good. Bigger tires made a little bit difference. It hit a top speed of 22. But yeah, it actually did very well out there. I know it's dark right now, but it actually did very well out there with the Open-Diff. So yeah, that was a short little video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, click on the button so YouTube say click. Didn't like this video, click on the thumbs down twice, even though YouTube somehow got rid of how many dislikes there are on the video. And yeah, y'all should see me in the next one.